Welcome back to episode 2 on how you can manage your FetchMonie app without making a single mistake. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fund your FetchMonie account and so many other things. So when you log into your account after registration, then you see add money on your dashboard. Click on add money. You will see PayPal bank, account number, account name. This one belongs to me. You will see your own. Okay, so what you need to do is click on copy. You copy it, then go and send money to it. In the process of you sending money, you see account name. Your name will appear there. Okay, you select bank as PayPal. So if you want to see more account detail, click on get more account detail. So you can see, you see money point here. You see Sterling Bank. You see Wema Bank. If you want to fund your account using your ATM card, you click on transfer via ATM card. You can see. So you can see here ATM via bank transfer / ATM. Click on it. It will show you how you can just follow the procedure, enter your ATM card numbers and other things and fund it to use your ATM. So but the most recommended one is PayPal, because this one they will not charge you except the VAT that Federal Government of Nigeria is charging for every transfer you did. So you can see this is the most recommended one. So you click on copy, fund your wallet, then it will reflect instantly on your account balance here. You can see my own account balance here. So you can see this is my own account balance. You can see the earnings here. I've earned for referring others. So I've withdrawn a lot of money. So now if you want to refer someone, then click on here. Click on refer and earn 500. Click here. Okay. So they say click here. Just click here. Okay. So if you click on that place, boom, you will see referral program. Just come down and read this message. Okay, read this message. Scroll down. How to get referrals if you want to get referrals quick. So you can see right now I have 160 naira bonus to be withdrawn. Okay, if I want to withdraw this my bonus now to my main wallet, what I will do is to click on withdraw. You can see if I click on withdraw now, this money will move directly and join my main account balance, and I can use it to purchase whatever I want to purchase. So you can see here. So if you want to share your referral link, so this is what you need to do. Click on share referral link. Okay, if you click on it now, it will take you to your WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. If you want to share it on WhatsApp, what you need to do is to click on WhatsApp. It will not take you to your friends DM, so send it to all of them or to any group you want to send it to. That is it. So if you want to send a code, a referral code, this is a referral code. Okay, so what you need to do is to click on copy. Click on copy and copy it. You can see copied. So then that's what called leaderboard. Leaderboard is a board that shows those that have earned highest amounts and highest referrals. Okay, if you click on that on this leaderboard, so you will see all of them. You can see here this person, Emmanuel, he has referred 22 people and he has earned 400. You can see Osinachi, you can see all of them here, and you can become first person here if you are referral past this person, or if you earn more, like if you refer 10 people now and those 10 people have funded their wallet. Remember, each time they fund their wallet, for the first time they fund their wallet, you receive 50 naira. Okay, you can pass these people and become number one. So that is very important. You read here. You can see, read this instruction. You can see here, read this article here to understand it very well. Okay, so that is how refer. If you want to see your referral, okay, click on this place, my referral. You can see here my referral. Click on it. You are referred. You will see the numbers of people you have referred, whether they are active or inactive. You see them there. So I think that's how referral works, and I don't want this video to be very long, so see you on my next video.